What if I told you Greenland is hiding secrets that could change the world? From a giant canyon buried under ice to a zombie ice crisis that will raise sea levels, this frozen land is more than just ice and snow. Greenland, the world's largest island, spans over 2.16 million square kilometers. Yet, despite its vast size, it has a tiny population of just 56,000 people, making it one of the least densely populated places on Earth. The reason? Almost 80% of Greenland is covered by a massive ice sheet that reaches up to 3 kilometers thick. This frozen landscape has existed for thousands of years, but now, it is melting at an alarming rate. Scientists estimate that Greenland is losing about 270 billion tons of ice per year. Even more concerning is the presence of zombie ice, which is glacial ice no longer replenished by snowfall and will inevitably melt, rising sea levels worldwide. But why is Greenland called Greenland when it's mostly covered in ice? According to legend, Viking explorer Eric the Red named it Greenland as a clever marketing trick to attract settlers. However, some scientists believe that over 2 million years ago, Greenland was actually green, covered in forests and grasslands before it froze over. With global warming accelerating, experts predict that parts of Greenland may become green again in the near future, possibly returning to its ancient, ice-free state. Beneath this vast ice sheet lies an ancient world filled with secrets. In 2018, scientists discovered the Hiawatha crater, a 31-kilometer-wide impact site buried under the ice. They believe it was formed when an asteroid struck Greenland about 12,000 years ago, possibly triggering a major climate shift. Even more astonishing is the discovery of a 750-kilometer-long canyon longer than the Grand Canyon, hidden beneath the ice. This frozen landscape has remained untouched for millions of years, preserving a world that scientists are only beginning to explore. But Greenland's wonders are not just buried beneath the ice, they also exist beneath the sea. Did you know Greenland is home to an underwater waterfall taller than any waterfall on land? The Denmark Strait Cataract plunges an incredible 3,505 meters into the ocean. Unlike traditional waterfalls, this phenomenon is caused by cold, dense water sinking beneath warmer water, creating a powerful current that helps regulate global ocean circulation. This hidden giant plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the world's climate. However, if changes in Greenland's ice melt disrupt this flow, it could have serious consequences, altering weather patterns and ocean temperatures across the planet. As if that weren't enough, Greenland also hides something unexpected: volcanoes. Scientists have discovered several active volcanoes buried beneath its frozen surface. If one were to erupt beneath the ice sheet, it could cause rapid melting, creating massive floods and accelerating the breakdown of glaciers. If the entire Greenland ice sheet were to melt, global sea levels could rise by 7 meters, enough to flood major cities like New York, London, and Shanghai. Researchers are now using radar technology to monitor geothermal activity beneath Greenland's ice to predict potential eruptions. If one of these hidden volcanoes were to erupt, it could drastically alter the region's landscape and contribute to even faster ice loss. While Greenland's natural mysteries are fascinating, its human history is just as intriguing. Over 1,000 years ago, Viking explorer Eric the Red led a group of Norse settlers to Greenland. They built farms and villages, thriving for centuries despite the harsh climate. But by the 15th century, these Viking settlements mysteriously vanished. What happened to them? Some historians believe a sudden drop in temperature, known as the Little Ice Age, made farming impossible, forcing the Vikings to abandon Greenland. Others speculate that conflicts with the native Inuit people, food shortages, or even a devastating plague may have played a role. Despite extensive research, no definitive answer has been found, making the disappearance of Greenland's Norse settlers one of history's great unsolved mysteries. Today, archaeologists continue to uncover Viking ruins, hoping to piece together the true story of their fate. But Greenland isn't just a place of historical secrets, it is also a time capsule preserving ancient life forms. In 2021, scientists made an astonishing discovery when they revived bacteria that had been trapped in the ice for 100,000 years. This breakthrough provides insight into how life can survive in extreme environments, potentially helping us understand how life might exist on other planets, such as Mars. Additionally, deep ice cores drilled from Greenland have revealed preserved pollen, plant material, and even traces of ancient forests, proving that Greenland was once a green, thriving land. These discoveries help scientists reconstruct Earth's climate history and predict future changes. Studying ancient microbes also has medical implications, as it could lead to new antibiotics or reveal how pathogens from the past might resurface as the ice melts. One of Greenland's most breathtaking spectacles is the aurora borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. These mesmerizing green, purple, and blue waves dance across the sky when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere. While this natural wonder has fascinated people for centuries, scientists worry that climate change could alter Earth's magnetic field, potentially changing the way the lights appear or even making them less visible in the distant future. For now, Greenland remains one of the best places in the world to experience this celestial phenomenon. Despite its massive size, Greenland is one of the most remote places on Earth. Surprisingly, there are no roads connecting its cities. The harsh terrain, extreme weather, and thick ice make it impossible to build highways. Instead, people travel between settlements using boats, helicopters, snowmobiles, and even traditional dog sleds, just as their ancestors did thousands of years ago. This lack of roads makes Greenland one of the most isolated places in the world, adding to its mystique and rugged beauty. Traveling between towns is an adventure, but it also highlights the challenges of modern infrastructure in such an extreme environment. Greenland's ice sheet also produces one of nature's strangest phenomena, red snow. Sometimes called blood snow, this eerie sight is caused by microscopic algae that live in the ice and turn red under sunlight. While it may look fascinating, it's actually a serious problem. The red color absorbs more heat, causing the ice to melt faster. As Greenland's ice sheet continues to shrink, scientists worry that these algae blooms will speed up the process even more, accelerating climate change. Beneath Greenland's melting ice lies another untapped resource, which is valuable minerals. The island is rich in gold, diamonds, uranium, and rare earth metals used in smartphones and electric cars. As the ice melts, mining companies are moving in, eager to extract these valuable resources. However, this has sparked a major debate. Should Greenland be protected, or should its resources be exploited? Some argue that mining could boost Greenland's economy, while others warn that it could harm the fragile Arctic ecosystem. As climate change continues to reshape Greenland's landscape, its future as a mining hotspot remains uncertain. Even deeper beneath Greenland's icy surface, scientists have discovered vast cave systems that may hold undiscovered life forms. Some of these caves are so deep that sunlight never reaches them, creating extreme conditions similar to those found on frozen planets and moons in space. If life can survive in these deep, ice-covered caves, it could give scientists clues about how organisms might exist in extraterrestrial environments. Greenland's hidden caves may hold the key to unlocking some of the universe's greatest mysteries. NASA has long studied Greenland's icy landscape because its conditions resemble those on Mars and other frozen planets. Scientists test their rovers, drills, and spacesuits in Greenland's harsh environment before sending missions to space. The melting ice sheet also helps researchers understand how climate change might affect Mars if it ever had frozen water in the past. In many ways, Greenland serves as a natural laboratory for space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life. As Greenland's ice continues to melt, people living in the region have reported hearing loud booms and rumbles coming from beneath the ice. Scientists believe these are caused by earthquakes triggered by the ice sheet cracking and shifting. Some of these icequakes are so powerful that they release as much energy as a 5.0 magnitude earthquake. As Greenland's ice continues to shrink, these icequakes are becoming more frequent, serving as a dramatic reminder of how climate change is reshaping the landscape. Greenland isn't just a vast, icy landscape, it's a geopolitical hotspot attracting global superpowers. The US, China, and Russia have all shown interest in its vast mineral resources, including rare earth metals essential for modern technology. In 2019, the US made headlines by offering to buy Greenland from Denmark, a proposal that was swiftly rejected. However, the strategic importance of Greenland continues to rise. As climate change melts Arctic ice, new shipping routes are emerging, reducing travel time between continents and increasing competition for control. The island's location also makes it a key player in military strategy, with the US already maintaining an airbase in Thule. Meanwhile, China has invested in infrastructure projects, raising concerns about its long-term ambitions. With the Arctic becoming a battleground for influence, Greenland's future remains uncertain. As we wrap up, Greenland is a land of mystery, history, and global significance. From its hidden volcanoes and ancient Viking settlements to its crucial role in climate change and geopolitics, Greenland continues to shape our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. But what does the future hold for Greenland? Will it become greener once again, revealing landscapes unseen for millions of years? Will its resources drive economic growth or environmental destruction? One thing is certain, Greenland is not just a frozen landmass. It's a key player in Earth's past, present, and future. The question is, who will shape its destiny? Its people, or the world's superpowers? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fascinating topics. Until then, let's think, discover, and grow together. See you in the next one.